story behind the song. So I was in the woods, right? I was in the woods, and I was out. Look, hey. You gotta listen. So I was in the woods, and while I'm walking in the woods, I was like, hey, there's a beaver. And so I've never seen a beaver before. And I was like, so what's that beaver doing out here right here in the woods? And he was like chopping wood. And he was like making him a beaver house. I was like, hey, Mr. Beaver. And he's throwing up his little beaver claw. This is a true story. And he said, ring, and I was like, whoa, what was that? And so little did I know, I saw it on the Discovery Channel a couple nights later, that beavers in their natural habitat, that's the sound that they make. Let's go. Beaver 1, Beaver roll. Let's up do the beaver call. Beaver 2, Beaver 3. Let's up climb the beaver tree. Beaver 4, Beaver 5. Let's up do the beaver jive. Beaver 6, Beaver 7. We'll all go to beaver heaven. Beaver 8, Beaver 9. Stop. It's beaver time.